Can you tell me the name of some healthy foods? What is healthy to eat? What is healthy food? Yes. Banana. Very good. Papaya is also healthy. Yeah. And vegetables are also healthy to eat. Yes. Very good. That is also healthy. Okay. And you see these chapatis. Chapatis are healthy to eat or not? Yeah. Chapatis and vegetables. See, this is lady finger vegetable. This is also healthy to eat. Understood? And tell me some unhealthy food. The food which is not healthy. Tell me. Is this healthy to eat? Is this healthy to eat? So, Sashi, this is not healthy for eating, baby. Yeah? So, fruits are healthy to eat. Chapatis are healthy to eat. Vegetables are healthy to eat, isn't it? And see, this is the one card of nourishing. आज हम कौन सा न्यू वर्ड लर्न करने जा रहे हैं? Nourishing. Riyan, look at me. Which one card we are going to learn today? Which one we are going to learn today? Nourishing. सारे बच्चे बोलो nourishing. Nourishing. Say everyone. सारे बच्चे loudly बोलो. मुझे सबकी आवाज आनी चाहिए. Nourishing. Loudly. Nourishing. Nourishing. Good. Very nice. Now keep quiet. Now keep quiet. Now you have to do the action of nourishing. How you eat food? How you eat food? You use your right hand for eating. Do the action of eating food. Do the action of eating food. Anveshika, you also. Do the action of eating food. Riyash, do action of eating food. Do action of eating food. Like this. खाने का action करो ना बेटा. Right hand use करो. दोनों हाथ से तो monkeys खाते हैं. Use only one hand. Okay. So this is the action. Say nourishing. Action करो and then say nourishing. 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 All of you say nourishing. And then show your muscles also. And say nourishing. Nourishing. These are the two actions of nourishing. This one. Nourishing and nourishing. 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 Okay. Now, see. Now you will have to tell me. Do you drink milk every day? So is it good for your health? Yes. You must drink milk every day. मैम वो पीछे दो बच्चे बातें कौन कर रहे हैं? शिवंजय और वो दोनों कौन है? उनको सामने बुलाइए. You to drink milk. You will become healthy. Anveshika. You will become healthy and you will grow tall. Understood? आप लंबे हो जाओगे. नहीं तो मेरे बराबर छोटे से रह जाओगे. Understood? So, will you drink milk every day?
Yes.
You will eat fruits also?
Yes.
And you will eat vegetables also?
Yes.
Yes. So, all of you say, bananas are nourishing. सारे बच्चे बोलो, bananas are nourishing. Orange is nourishing. Kiwi is nourishing. सारे बच्चे बोलो, कस की आवाज आनी चाहिए. Vegetable is nourishing. Chapati is nourishing. Chapati is nourishing. Okay. So, and then जब भी आप nourishing बोलो, you do the action also. Nourishing. Nourishing. Do the action of nourishing, Irishna. Nourishing.